Today we are going to see about yoga. All of us think the yoga is twisting or stretching or bending the body. But it's not true. There are 8 stages in yoga. Imam, Niyamam, Asanam, Pranayamam, Pratyagaram, Dharanam, meditation, Samadhi. If the 8 things are united, that's called yoga. You are thinking the third one, asanam, is yoga. That is not a complete yoga. That's only yoga asanam. Let's see in detail about the 8 stages of yoga. Number 1, Imam. Means dance. Stop doing bad habits, for example drinking, smoking, thefting, lying, etc. You should stop doing wrong and bad habits before start yoga asana. This is the first stages of yoga. Imam is stop doing the things which will harmful to us or others. For example, consider a pot. You are filling water in the pot which has couple of holes. Water is yoga asana. Holes is your bad habits. The wise is first shut the holes, then you can try to filling the pot. So first you should shut the holes. Again, water is yoga asana and holes are your bad habits. This is reason yoga asana meditations are not effective some people. So first step of yoga advise you to stop bad habits. Second thing is niyamam. Means do's, continue your good habits. Good habit means walking, yoga, meditation and exercise, etc. Doing the good things which provides energy to your body and mind. Third one is asana. You people are familiar with this twisting, stretching and bending the body called asanam. One is pranayama. Pranayama is nothing but a breathing exercise. There are several types in pranayama: Nadi Suthi, Kapalabhati, Anuloma, Vinuloma, Susankirya, etc. To stabilize the breath, if you do some exercise that is called pranayama. Fifth one is pratyakaram. Pratyakaram means forget about the 5 senses. In this case, eye is there but no vision, ear is there but you're not able to hear. Are you wondering? How? Let's think. In some time, if you're in serious thinking, or working, or while in driving, you may not respond the persons who called you, or you may not see somebody who crossed you. Like this, if you temporarily forget the vision, listen, smelling, touching senses called pratyakaram. After the 6th one is dharana. Dharana is think about only one thing. For example, thinking about a flower, a baby, like that. 7th one is dhyana, meditation. Meditation is stopping of all thoughts. We can call this state without thinking. If you're in state without thinking for 12 minutes, it's called one meditation. If you're doing meditation for 2 hours, it's called samadhi. Samadhi means not death, it's an ultimate state of meditation. If anyone reaching the samadhi stage, their body gets good smell. It's an ultimate state of yoga. Now you are going to understand. Yoga isn't only stretching, bending, twisting the body. It has 8 stages. Imam, Niyamam, Asanam, Pranayamam, Pratyagaram, Dharana, Dhyanam, Samadhi. Imam means dance. Niyamam means do's, asanam, bending, stretching, twisting the body. Pranayamam is breathing exercise. Pratyakaram is forget the 5 senses. Dharana is think about only one thing and forget about others. Meditation is a state of having no thoughts. 2 hours of meditation is called samadhi. I wish you to understand these things about yoga. Do yoga to have good health, mind, and life. Thank you.